Hi everyone, so today we will learn the process of making Pwnagotchi. I just assembled the Raspberry Pi 02W and waveshare ui.display version 4, and all these are placed in a case. Right now I can't show inside of the case because I enclosed it in a very tough manner. So let's set up Pwnagotchi. Visit pwnagotchi.org website, click on getting started, then the software section, download the Raspberry Pi imager, the Pwnagotchi image, and RNDIS drive. Here I am downloading the Pwnagotchi 64-bit version. So once downloaded the image, open the Raspberry Pi imager. There select the device. It is in my case it is Raspberry Pi 02W. Choose the OS. Just scroll down and select the use custom OS, and select the where you have downloaded the Pwnagotchi image, and choose your storage, and then press next, and it will start the flashing process. Once the flashing is done, just eject the SD card and replug it. There just create a text file with name and all this content. ui.display.type mention webshare version 3. If you are using version 4 also, just mention version 3 and save it as config.toml file. Here we can mark the config.tml file. Now open view network connections to check whether our gadget is appearing or not. See here the Ethernet 4 USB RNDIS gadget, that's our device. In case if we can't see our device RNDIS gadget, then just install our driver and connect the device with USB. Now connect the device with secure shell, which is SSH. The username will be pi and the address will be 10.0.0.2. The password will be Raspberry. These are the default credentials. The web UI of Pwnagotchi can be accessed on port number 8080. I have changed the default credentials. Here we can see what are the plugins installed in our Pwnagotchi. The changes we had done in the config.tml file, those all can be done here also. Here we can see the emotions of Pwnagotchi. Let's see how we can install some custom plugins in our Pwnagotchi. Now our Pwnagotchi is ready to use. Please like, share and subscribe.